Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, do you love what you are seeing here? So I want to make a delicious egusi soup. This ingredients is all the way from Nigeria. Guys, I don't know how I'm contented to have all these ingredients I'm using, apart from this fish and ishaki, okay, and the beef. The other things, this one, the crayfish, all these things is coming from Nigeria, all the way from Nigeria. Oh my God, guys, let me introduce you all the ingredients. First of all, let me welcome to Beautiful Shine TV. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please guys, share this video. Share this video. My returning, may God bless you always. So let's get into the video. Here I have my beef, oil, tomatoes, shaki, stockfish, catfish, round fish, which is beverrier. I have burger, macro fish. I have 2 bonus of onions, crayfish, spinach, and bitter leaves. So here are my ingredients to make this delicious meal. I have my salt here as well, so feel free to use any one of your choice. I always like to use tomatoes on my egusi soup. Feel free to use any one of your choice. If you feel like, you can use it. If you don't feel like, just do it the way you want. But if you try this way, you will see that Beautiful Shine was right. It's very, very sweet when you make it stew before you stew it. Guys, it's very delicious. Okay, let's get into the video. Continue watching, guys. So here now I will be putting my meat. Sorry guys, I forgot to introduce you my mangi. I have 1 chicken mangi and 1 crayfish mangi. This is the mangi I will be using for my sweet egusi soup. So I have my pot here now. Everything is properly washed already. And now I will be adding the beef inside. This will take at least 40 minutes to boil, okay? 40 minutes. I will add my salt inside. Okay guys, everything I've already added into the meat and the shaki is inside. So I will cover it now. I will let it to boil at least for 40 minutes. See you guys later. The head of the fish, I'm going to throw it off because I don't really like using head of fish, you know. So this one, I'm throwing it off. Okay guys, I will be adding hot water to wash properly so that all the sand, you know, this kind of fish, they will carry a lot of sand. So I will be adding hot water to wash properly. Wash it thoroughly. And I also forgot to show you my melons and the spinach. I need to add it on it so that the taste will be more super, guys. So continue washing. I have to cover this now. I will cover it later. I will open it and I will wash it properly. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my pot here. I will start frying the stew before the meat will get done. So let's start. So I wouldn't add any salt on this. I just had a little salt because of the meat. Okay, now I will just start adding the onions. I will let it stir at least like 1 minute. I already put the tomatoes, and I will add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add a little bit. Okay, now I will start adding my spinach. Then first before second I will add my burger. I did not add Maggi, okay? I did not add Maggi. I will do that later. I will do that later just because of the meat. If it is not enough, I will add Maggi. So, at the moment, I have not yet had Maggi. Okay guys, I've already turned the stew into this big pot. So I will be adding my melons. Now I will be adding my melon. Okay guys, here is my egusi soup. In the next 15 minutes I will remove it. Okay, so continue washing guys. Okay guys, at this time of the point I changed the pot. Okay, this is the pot I was using before, so I just changed it for the sake because it was burning, so I just remove it and put it into another pot. So at this time of the time I have not yet put oil. This one is just the tomatoes, this stew. So now I will be adding oil. You know, you can also use it this way without even adding oil guys. Sometimes I do cook it that way. When I fry it already, I will just use the tomatoes as oil. So at this time of the point, you can also do any one of your choice. Feel free to use oil, feel free not to use. If you want to use the tomatoes as your oil, you can do that. Okay, this time I have not yet had my catfish. I will add it a little bit later. Okay, continue washing guys. Hey guys, my food is ready. Oh my god, look at this soup. See this? Look at my sweet delicious egusi soup guys. So this one is the next thing to do now is to make plantain and eat with this egusi soup. But I just make it for the moment. I'm not eating with plantain yet, but later in the day, that is what I'm going to be eating this soup with. Wow, girl, this is really nice. It's amazing soup and delicious one as that. See you guys for my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Before I forgot, I know I've already said that before, but do subscribe, okay? just press that notification bell. Anytime I upload, you will be the first to be notified. See you for my next video. Shalom.